4 बज गए लेकिन पार्टी अभी बाकी है।
Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing. I let's do it. परसों का उबाला हुआ आलू रखा हुआ था एंड वी हैव कीनवा फ्रॉम येस्टरडे. सो आई थॉट अब कीनवा कल का ही है तो मुझे लगा पहले आलू यूज़ कर लेते हैं.
धनिया और मिंट की खुशबू कितनी अच्छी लगती है।
विश मी लक.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
गुड मॉर्निंग। इट्स 1st of January, so happy new year and welcome to my kitchen. I slept really well yesterday, although my sleep score is 79. But I slept a good 8 hours and I know why it's less because my body was too tired. I woke up at around 7, but then I got lazy. So it's 9 in the morning now. And we should work out. So I'm just making my coffee today. And our coffee is ready. Let's start with the workout.
Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah, you. Thank the gods I found you. Yeah, proof. Those who wait never. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you're there in my reflection. You're a part of me, and it's in peace. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Say that you won't hide away. Yeah, if you stay, I will make you my flame. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you're there in my reflection. You're a part of me, the missing piece. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, Hide and seek till I found you, my love. You and me will be forevermore.
So I'm done with my workout and I'm just about to eat my post-workout chia pudding. Again, I have added kiwi, blueberries and pumpkin seeds to the base that I kept overnight in fridge. Let's talk about workout first. So it was a little better than yesterday. I think first of all, I had better energy before starting the workout because I slept really well. And secondly, even during the workout, I could feel that I have more energy. I was able to do toe touches and plank jacks better than yesterday. So I definitely see an improvement. But there was an optional third video for an ab workout today, which I chose to skip because it was optional. So I thought maybe in a couple of days. I see that it's also in the program tomorrow, so I'll try to do it tomorrow. I brushed my teeth in the morning and I noticed a grey hair. And just like any other sane person would do, I plucked my hair. I know, you're not supposed to pluck it, whatever. I thought अगर सारे सबूत मिटा दिए जाएं तो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि grey hair था. So I did that and I did my workout and I was washing my face and I noticed another grey hair, which I chose to leave basically. It's somewhere. Oh, do I see dandruff? Perfect. Where is the grey hair? Do you see? Yeah. Now I see dandruff too. Great. So that has been on my mind. I don't mind grey hairs. It's just let's live in delusion. Cheers. It's been a while. I was editing yesterday's video and I opened Zepto because I had to order a couple of things, and I am thinking, should we try something from Zepto Cafe? I have already tried a couple of things. I'm not that hungry, but I could eat something. I tried their puff. I like the veg puff. Then what else? When I was not well, I tried their adrak chai. Yeah, I feel like I don't like chai in general, so I won't comment on chai. Tiramisu. Why is everything so sweet? I don't want to eat anything sweet. There's tiramisu, there's triple chocolate, there's hot chocolate. No. Double egg and cheese sandwich. This does not look appetizing. Is that an egg slice? I get the cheese, I get the bun. What is it in the between? Is it cream cheese or is that an egg? No, this does not look good. I should probably make something for myself. No. Oh no. Wheat chapati, pack of 10. Oh, this is interesting. There are times when I don't want to make roti chapati, so this can come in handy. Good to know. Oh, there's nothing else. I mean, out of everything that's available, I don't think I want to eat any of this. Yeah, so recording this is basically pointless. I thought I'll order something to eat, but might as well just cook something.
मुझे लगा कि कुछ खा सकते हैं थोड़ा, but I wanted to have like a snack. तो order तो हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन I thought I'll make an avocado toast. तो मैंने सारे ingredients जमा कर लिए हैं. We have bread, we have avocado. Avocado जो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ripe हो गया है, क्योंकि मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. Black pepper, we have salt, we have nimbu. I think we are good to go. I have to be honest, क्योंकि I want to document everything that I'm eating and the workouts that I'm doing. मैं already 1-2 बार roasted peanuts खा चुकी हूँ because I love it. Look at it, such nicely done peanut. Avocado in question. Okay, not bad. I think काम चला सकते हैं इससे. More peanuts. I love peanut chaat too. Anyway, avocado कट चुका है. Let me mash. I think मेरी इच्छा नहीं कर रही थी एक्चुअली कुछ बनाने की. अभी भी बना तो नहीं रहे हैं. There is no cooking involved, but हाँ, मुझे मोटिवेशन आ गया कि मैं घर में ही कुछ कर लूँगी. When I saw that sandwich, that bun, egg and cheese sandwich. यार मतलब चीज की स्लाइस दिख रही है. I see half fry egg too, but उसके बीच में क्या है? उसके बीच में इतना that big white block of whatever. उसको देख के मेरा थोड़ा मूड ऑफ हो गया. Avocado mash is ready. नमक, black pepper, नींबू, थोड़ा सा धनिया ऐड कर दूं, थोड़ा सा. Avocado toast is ready. दोनों ब्रेड की स्लाइसेस की थिकनेस में कितना डिफरेंस है. This face is not confused because of avocado. I'm trying to judge the bread. It's okay. I think I can eat it.
रात के 11 बजने वाले हैं. आई नो बहुत लेट हो गया है, बट this is how the atta looks. Let's keep it for a while.
It's been 10 to 15 minutes. Let me just catch you up. मैंने आलू का मसाला रेडी कर लिया. I added some पनीर, थोड़ा कस के पनीर ले लिया. I added धनिया, मिर्ची, salt and red chili powder. आटा थोड़ा सा पराठे जैसे टेक्सचर का लग नहीं रहा है, बट let's see. This is what the shape looks like. But let's go. I like the taste. पर सॉफ्ट उतना नहीं बना जितना जैसे घर पे बनता है या जिसे बनाना आता है वो बनाता है. already 11:50. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.